Hello viewers, let's see a problem of Windows 7 Home Edition in which the regional language is US English. However, despite that, when you right click, so Arabic and English mix-up languages appears and the user faces difficulty. Now it's in front of you. After right click, you can see English and Arabic, two languages are mixing, and if I check the regional language, so it's already selected English US and English United States. So let's fix it. Now come and click start and then go to control panel. When it open, simply go and select region and language. Here click on administrative and then see the button change system locate. So click it and now this box appear. Here you can see under current system locate Arabic Saudi Arabia. So let's open the box and come down till you find English United States. When you see it selected, click OK and now restart. Now click the button restart now and let's see what happened. Now I right click after restart and there is no other language but English United States, and the problem of mixing language has been fixed. Thanks for watching.